Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HUSA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where this red line annotation is coming from. And that brings about our first update that needs to be done after today's very nice price action. And that update is based on the foundational principle that when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So again, for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about 73 cents right around there as that level of resistance. But now that the price is above it, this would be considered one of the newest areas of support. Now, there is a little bit of, it depends that goes into this chart. So what do I mean by that? Well, it depends. If you are a day trader and you bought right there, or you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 7.2 seconds, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking pretty rough due to the final 30 minutes of the day, which you can see there is quite a bit of a sell-off. Now, if you care about the big picture of things, then the bull is still totally bullish. Everything is still completely fine because within the grand scheme of things, the bull still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base, and that's what you want to see. Case in point, circling back to 73. I'm not saying this will happen, but let's say the price actually pulls all the way back there, bounces around, and then heads back up. From the big picture perspective, what would you still have? Well, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have this, base down around here. You'd have this previous base down around there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, I mean, the stair steps would still be going in the upwards direction. Again, I fully realize if you are a day trader and you bought right there or you bought right there, then you don't want to see any of this happen. But I am talking about and making these comments from a bigger picture type perspective. So yeah, the price pulled back today. And yeah, the final 30 minutes, again, illustrated right there, were pretty rough. But all in all, the bull still plenty of opportunity to continue, building forward. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, first level going into tomorrow is right up there at about 90 cents. Was a key level of support throughout a vast majority of the day, and then the annoying final 30 minutes happened where the price broke below it. So again, just going back to foundational rules, when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So on any sort of bounce back up, 90 cents going to be that initial level that the bulls will have to fight back above. Overall, though, not the best day, but remember, that's just a day. When you look at multiple days, as we're doing here, you can see bulls have an opportunity still to build upon the uptrend. So we'll see how they close out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.